And here's Rusty outside. What I need, you see the park lights in there. I gotta find a park light for that. I need the hood inserts yet. There's the sides. You can see the paint ain't perfect at all. The paint is actually ugly. I mean, not the color, but I did okay, but not a professional job at all. It's just the driver, you know. But then here too, you can see I need that side marker light, and then I need that side marker light on all four corners here. So I got them ordered. They should be here tomorrow. And I got this, you see the chrome stops there and the stops there. I got this chrome piece coming. So that's coming. The exhaust tips, I still got to kind of line them yet. I haven't done that. And on this side you can see it'll be a good driver. I bring it to the car shows, you know, they'll say, oh, the paint is rough on it. And I'll say, yeah, it is. It's done by me. You know, when it comes to painting, I know how it's done, but I don't have the skill. But anyway, then I need to get the fill door here, but right now I fill it inside the trunk with the fuel cell. But I'd like to make a tube, make that connect so that I can fill it up right here. And I gotta get my bottle cap hubcaps yet. Waiting for them. And then I got this all topped out, as you know. I got the small tires on it now, but I got the Mickey Thompson 29.5s in the house. But what I like to do is I like to put them under there. But the rims are $500 a piece, so I'm not worried about that right now. What I'm worried about is getting all these pieces, that's what I'm worried about. And yeah, you can see the dents in the roof, you know. Because the guy used it for the most expensive shelf in the world, as you've probably seen in those pictures that I put on Facebook. Because the first set of pictures are from when I walked in the guy's garage. I go, wow! I couldn't believe it. Right on this hood chrome too. I gotta order that yet. And I told you about the hood inserts. What's nice is when you turn the lights on, these light up. Yeah, I wired them into the headlights, so they're lighted. I don't know. Lit? How do you say that? They're litted? I don't know. It's lit, yeah, huh? Yep. Oh yeah, yep. Yep. Like my buddy Derek would say on Vice Grip Garage. Yep, oh, yep. Perfect. Yep, it's got a hemi in it. Got the big 160 amp alternator. I built that intake. Yeah, the car isn't absolutely perfect, but you know, it's very unique. It's got a Dana 60 in the back with 410s, 727 that I built by myself. I built all my own transmissions. B&M shift kit, Kevlar bands, clutches, auto clutches. Drive shaft is done by Minnesota Driveline on the St. Cloud there. Wait, what are they telling you call that? Aluminum radiator. Looks like a copper one, but it's actually all aluminum. And I got electric fan. Yeah, they're running. Let me make sure. Alright, there she is. Close this up. Yeah. Yep. Man. So there she is. There's a video of it outside. Looks okay. But again, I'm not a professional body shop. Never have been. Probably never will. But I try. Fabrication, I'm really good at. I'd like to find a job that could pay me for my skills. But when it comes to body work, you know, you can get it close. I've always told everybody that. But yeah, love to all. Talk to you later. Bye-bye. By the way, I call this Rusty. Should change its name now. But we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.